What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another very exciting episode right here on the MIgardener channel. And a very exciting episode it will be because we have never done anything like this, but it's something that a lot of you have requested, and that's a completely uncut, unedited video of me planting out the garden. We had a couple people actually write in the other day saying, Luke, I really have loved hearing the sounds of the birds and the sounds of kids playing in the background, and sometimes your voice overshadows that. And there's nothing wrong with your voice, but right now what I need more than ever is kind of that therapy, that sound therapy. Not really ASMR, but kind of, I guess, ASMR. I kind of just need that therapy of hearing nature, hearing what goes on in a garden. And so I'd love you to just do a video without you doing any talking or teaching, just with you planting like you would normally. So that's what we're going to do in today's video. I don't know how it's going to turn out. I hope you guys enjoy it, and hopefully it's not too boring. Obviously I might move the camera around and stuff, but you asked for a completely unedited video. And so as much as it pains me not to edit a video, hopefully I'll deliver. I just thought it'd be kind of fun, and we'll see how it comes out. So hopefully you guys find it therapeutic and enjoyable. It's a beautiful day out. I'll at least let you know that the sun is out, 65 degrees. It's warm. It smells like cut grass. And it's gonna be a nice day. So, all right, let's get planting. I'm gonna plant this kale here. You know what? All right, I'm gonna plant this because it's a little smaller. Check out the root system on these. That is just beautiful. Where am I going to put the dill? That's going to be spinach. I think I have to put dill in a different bed. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. I don't really know how I feel about it. It's not very common for me to do that, but it's just really nice to get out in the garden. It's really nice to just feel the sunshine, and I hope you guys enjoyed that, and hopefully you guys are going to be experiencing that really soon. I had one viewer that wrote in saying that they had 8 inches of snow where they're at up in Canada, and can't even imagine. Oh my gosh, I cannot even imagine. That would be difficult, to say the least. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you learned something new. Hope you were inspired, and hopefully you enjoyed the sounds of the MIgardener garden. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you all on the next episode. Grow big or go home, everyone. Bye.